morning, everyone. Welcome to Google I/O. As you may have heard, AI is having a very busy year. So we've got lots to talk about. Let's get started. We are taking the next step in Gmail with Help Me Write. Let's say you got this email that your flight was canceled. The airline has sent a voucher, but what you really want is a full refund. You could reply and use Help Me Write. Just type in the prompt of what you want, an email to ask for a full refund, hit create, and a full draft appears. As you can see, it conveniently pulled in flight details from the previous email. The next example is maps. Imagine if you could see your whole trip in advance. Click on Immersive View for routes, and it's an entirely new way to look at my journey. I can zoom in to get an incredible bird's eye view of the ride. And as we turn, we get onto a great bike path. It looks like it's going to be a beautiful ride. You can also check today's air quality. Looks like AQI is 43, pretty good. And if I want to check traffic and weather and see how they might change over the next few hours, I can do that. Looks like it's going to pour later, so maybe I want to get going now. Immersive View for routes will begin to roll out over the summer and launch in 15 cities by the end of the year, including London, New York, Tokyo, and San Francisco. Another product made better by AI is Google Photos. Using a combination of semantic understanding and generative AI, you can do much more with a new experience called Magic Editor. Let's have a look. This is a great photo, but as a parent, you always want your kid at the center of it all. And it looks like the balloons got cut off in this one. So you can go ahead and reposition the birthday boy. Magic Editor automatically recreates parts of the bench and balloons that were not captured in the original shot. As a finishing touch, you can punch up the sky. It changes the lighting in the rest of the photo so the edit feels consistent. It's truly magical. Today, we are ready to announce our latest Palm model in production, Palm 2. While Palm 2 is highly capable, it really shines when fine-tuned on domain-specific knowledge. We recently released SecPalm, a version of Palm 2 fine-tuned for security use cases. Another example is MedPalm 2. In this case, it's fine-tuned on medical knowledge. This fine-tuning achieved a 9x reduction in inaccurate reasoning when compared to the model.
With Palm 2, Bard's math, logic, and reasoning skills made a huge leap forward, underpinning its ability to help developers with programming. Bard can now collaborate on tasks like code generation, debugging, and explaining code snippets. Bard has already learned more than 20 programming languages, including C++, Go, JavaScript, Python, Kotlin, and even Google Sheets functions. We've also heard that you want dark theme, so starting today, you can activate it. I'm excited to announce that tools are coming to Bard. So in the next few weeks, Bard will become more visual, both in its responses and your prompts. So if you ask, what are some must-see sites in New Orleans? Bard's going to use Google Search and the Knowledge Graph to find the most relevant images. So if you're looking to have some fun with your fur babies, you might upload an image and ask Bard to write a funny caption about these two. It lends the text that this is a photo of a goofy German Shepherd and a golden retriever, and then Bard uses that to create some funny captions. Make an image of a unicorn and a cake at a kid's party. Okay, now Bard is working with Firefly to bring what I imagined to life. So today, we are removing the waitlist and opening up Bard to over 180 countries and territories.
Today,
We're completely upgrading everything you love about our A series with the gorgeous new Pixel 7a. And you're gonna love the camera. The 7a takes the crown from 6a as the highest rated camera in its class, with the biggest upgrade ever to our A series camera hardware, including a 72% bigger main camera sensor. Now here's the best part. Pixel 7a is available today, starting at $499.
Pixel Tablet is the only tablet engineered by Google and designed specifically to be helpful in your hand and in the place they are used the most, the home. We designed the Pixel Tablet to uniquely deliver helpful Pixel experiences, and that starts with great hardware. We engineered a first-of-its-kind charging speaker dock. Woo! When it's docked, the new hub mode turns Pixel Tablet into a beautiful digital photo frame, a powerful smart home controller, a voice-activated helper, and a shared entertainment device. Pixel Tablet is the first tablet with Chromecast built in. So with a few taps, the new Pixel Tablet comes in 3 colors. It is available for pre-order today and ships next month, starting at just $499.
Introducing Google Pixel Fold. It's the only foldable engineered by Google to adapt to how you want to use it, with a familiar front display that works great when it's folded, and when it's unfolded, it's our thinnest phone yet, and the thinnest foldable on the market. You put the camera in tabletop mode to capture the stars, and you can get closer with the best zoom on a foldable, and use the best camera on the phone for your selfies. Dual screen interpreter mode. Your Pixel Fold can use both displays. Both displays. To provide a live translation to you and the person you're talking to. So it's really easy to connect across languages. And you're not gonna have to wait too long. You can pre-order Pixel Fold starting today, and it'll ship next month.
They ain't never seen it like this. They ain't never seen it like this. This, like this, never seen it like this. This, like this. They ain't never seen it like this.
Senior level job description for textile designer. Docs will take that prompt, send it to our Palm 2 base model, and let's see what I got back. Not bad. With just 7 words, the model came back with a good starting point, written out really nicely for me. Now you can take that and customize it for the kind of experience, education, and skill set that this role needs, saving you a ton of time and effort. In a new sheet, simply type something like client and pet roster for a dog walking business with rates and hit create. Sheet sends this input to a fine-tuned model that we've been training with all sorts of sheet-specific use cases. Let's pick one of the slides and use the poem on there as a prompt for image generation. Mom loves her pizza, cheesy and true, while Dad's favorite treat is a warm pot of fondue. Let's hit create and see what it comes up with. Behind the scenes, that quote is sent as an input to our text-to-image models, and we know it's unlikely that the user will be happy with just one option, So we generate about 6 to 8 images so that you have the ability to choose and refine.
Now, search does the heavy lifting for you. What you see here looks pretty different, so let me first give you a quick tour. You'll notice a new integrated search results page, so you can get even more out of a single search. There's an AI-powered snapshot that quickly gives you the lay of the land on a topic. So right under the snapshot, you'll see the option to ask a follow-up question or select a suggested next step. Tapping any of these options will bring you into our brand new conversational mode.
We're launching a major update to our Find My Device experience to support a wide range of devices in your life, including headphones, tablets, and more. It's powered by a network of billions of Android devices around the world. So if you leave your earbuds at the gym, other nearby Android devices can help you locate them. We're introducing unknown tracker alerts. Your phone will tell you if an unrecognized tracking tag is moving with you and help you locate it.
To start, messages and conversations can be so much more expressive, fun, and playful with Magic Compose. It's a new feature coming to Google Messages, powered by generative AI, that helps you add that extra spark of personality to your conversation. So just type your message like you normally would, and then choose how you want to sound. Magic Compose will do the rest, so your messages give off more positivity, more rhymes, more professionalism, or if you want, in the style of a certain playwright. So with Emoji Wallpapers, you choose your favorite combination of emoji, pick the perfect pattern, and then find just the right color to bring them all together. So let's see, I'm gonna go into the wallpaper picker, and I'm gonna tap on the new option for emojis. Let's see, we'll get this just right. Okay, I got enough ducks in there. Okay, cool. And then colors, let's see, ooh, that pops. Let's go with the more muted one, or maybe that one. That one looks good, that looks good, I like that one. All right, select that, set the wallpaper, and then I go, oh, looks pretty cool, huh? So this time, I'm gonna go and select Create a Wallpaper with AI. And I like classic art, so let me tap that. City by the Bay in a post-impressionist style. Cool. And I tap Create Wallpaper. Nice.
Project Tailwind. And we think of it as an AI-first notebook that helps you learn faster. I'll open up Tailwind, and I can quickly see in Google Drive all my different notes and assignments and readings. I can insert them. And what'll happen when Tailwind loads up is you can see my different notes and articles on the side. Here they are in the middle. And it instantly creates a study guide on the right to give me bearings. You can see it's pulling out key concepts and questions grounded in the materials that I've given it.
As well as pose new challenges as it becomes more advanced and new uses emerge. That's why we believe it's imperative to take a responsible approach to AI. For example, have you come across a photo on a website or one shared by a friend with very little context, like this one of the moon landing, and found yourself wondering, is this reliable? In the coming months, we're adding 2 new ways for people to evaluate images. First, with our About This Image tool in Google Search, you'll be able to see important information such as when and where similar images may have first appeared. We will ensure that every one of our AI-generated images has metadata, a markup in the original file to give you context if you come across it outside of our platforms.
You can build generative applications using our AI platform, Vertex AI. With Vertex, you can access foundation models for chat, text, and image. This infrastructure makes large-scale training workloads up to 80% faster and up to 50% cheaper compared to any alternatives out there.